What if, regardless of your age, your gender, or your current health status, your hormone balance was more important to your present and future health than you ever have imagined? And what if virtually every system, every tissue, every cell, in fact every particle in your body, was receiving signals from your hormones, signals which either release vitality or promote disease and poor function? What if hormone balance is way more complex and web-like than simply adjusting the levels of certain hormones in your body? That achieving hormone balance was less like making a soup and more like conducting a symphony. What if achieving hormone balance was less about drugs and hormone replacement and more about your lifestyle, the small and large health choices you make every day? What if there were 4 basic strategies that you could employ today that would radically improve your hormone balance right now? What if you dedicated just 60 minutes out of your busy life to learn about your hormonal health, to create a personalized health strategy, a roadmap which could change the course of your hormonal health forever? Consider the possibilities if you took this brief time to really understand your hormonal balance, but more importantly, to ask yourself the question, what if you didn't? Please join me, Dr. Brad Rachman, as a BMY Talks featured speaker on Wednesday, November 14th at 7 p.m. at Black Mountain Yoga Center. Admission to the seminar is by donation, with proceeds benefiting the Black Mountain Home for Children. Register today at blackmountainyoga.com. And open yourself to the infinite possibilities of what if.